is for the mushroom sauce.
Everybody knows mushrooms. These ones are, they call it mushrooms from Paris.
Paris.
They call it.
And why they call it?
Why, I don't know why they call it, but then we have this is only preparation.
It's good. We have to first clean it. Remove the, just like that. We need to remove this part. So yeah, it will become like that. And later on, he's going to remove all the black things here. Like that, yeah. He's going to wash it not for so long because mushrooms
Take a lot of water on,
yeah,
but
it's already watery, and then if you wash it in water, so it will be more watery.
a little bit because they are too dirty. You can wash them.
Okay.
Just cutting in slices. So when I do this normally I always switch my wife.
He's already used. By the way, he is a chef before, but he stopped because for some reasons, personal reasons. He still can cook good. He still did not forget. That's why I made this video, so we can see he can share and I can share some. Yeah, we are not perfect in cooking, but yeah, some ideas in cooking also.
Easy.
Yeah, it's good. Just cut everything and then yeah, we will show you the next procedure. It's cut already, so here are the ingredients. He likes to use magic syrup, salt, pepper, black pepper, and maizena of you can also use we use here in Belgium like this, but you can also use cornstarch. Okay, that's what we are going to do first is melting the butter in a casserole or a pan. Yeah, we forget to say to say for the ingredients butter also. Yeah, we're going to show you it's also included.
It's butter, not margarine.
It's butter. You can also use margarine.
You can also use margarine.
Yeah. Sometimes it's not easy to find in the Philippines the ingredients, especially when you're living only in the dorp. What is that in the province? It's more provinces. Yeah. After a minute and a
You
half,
can season it a bit
you season it
with
a bit.
pepper. A lot of pepper because so yummy. And you can use
A little bit salt.
a little bit salt, not so much because I will use magic syrup
No,
also.
no, not so much. I don't like so much
because
salt.
I will use magic syrup also.
Yeah.
But that's for later. The magic syrup is for later. But what I put now is
A little bit.
a little bit of chicken stir
Nor cubes.
or cubes, yeah.
Yeah, that
From
will be a
Knorr.
lot.
And that you can put it now.
And
And now we wait a bit.
for how long we need to
Maybe
cook it?
maybe 1 minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes, till all the mushrooms are
Yeah. What? Are cooked.
yeah,
Halfly cooked.
halfly cooked, and then you can put some cream on it.
Later on, we will show you again.
Because my wife
Looking good. We're still going to wait a little bit. We are going to cook the steak, beef steak.
as you can see, I will use now some mushroom, some cream.
Yeah.
But you have to watch. It's 35% of grace.
In the steak, we first melt the butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. As you can see, the butter comes a little bit.
It's a little bit brown, so it's time to put your beef,
Yeah, like
to
this.
fry your beef.
To fry your steak. And now you can choose how you want your steak. We used
Half cook for you.
maybe it's a little, for me it's a little bit more than half cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you know the terms, you have bleu, saignant, bien cuit, à point, bien cuit. À point is the
But
third one.
that's French.
Yeah,
French
the terms are always in French. You have three times bleu, saignant, à point, bien cuit.
Yeah.
Bien cuit meaning well done.
Yeah.
À point is a little bit more than medium rare, and then you have medium rare, and then you have.
So for me, it's very cooked.
For her, it's bien cuit.
Very
For my
cooked.
wife.
And this is the mushroom sauce, as you can see. Yeah, it looks yummy, and it's really yummy. And now it's cooking. The beef is cooking. He cooked the other side. Now he's going to turn it to cook also the other side. And a little bit salt and pepper again.
A little bit, not so much.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay. You can see water is a little bit.
Yeah, everything is cooking.
Yeah.
Not water, the cream.
The cream.
Then we put some maizena, the
Or corn starch.
You put it from the fire. And as you can see, everything is sticking a bit. You put it again a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, it's very. It's good, man.
Yeah, wait. Up a little bit again on the fire.
A little bit. Yeah, it's good. It's a little bit thick. Yeah, it's not so thick, yeah, but it's like that. The perfect mushroom sauce.